The state government on Thursday said that the African swine fever ASF outbreak is under control and all measures have been put in place to contain any further spread. Situation is very much under control because the rapid action team and the veterinary doctors have promptly taken all measures to contain the spread, said Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Heck. A few places have been affected, but at a very small scale. He further said that the department has not issued any order or direction to stop sale or consumption of pork, but people should take all precautionary measures so that swine flu does not spread.
Then I've already immediately with his letter endorsed to the secretary to examine and see what kind of possibility we can take it forward. He thingi orang baik kumle nama berempat kang dewan bende ga senang itu masih ya kesian pun kang. Tiga namla bende ki papang ki dia bitangi itu di madang tai dong kiare. Kataru it is sent only after the verification of the veterinary doctor of that particular area. You have to see the health condition of the livestock.
The Fish Corner at